Ever wondered how those effortlessly cool Norwegians manage to transfer money faster than you can say avocado toast? It's not magic. It's VIPs. But how do you get your hands on this digital goldmine? Let's dive in. Imagine this: you're in a bustling Oslo cafe, surrounded by the aroma of freshly baked goods. You've just enjoyed a delightful brunch with friends, and it's time to split the bill. Instead of fumbling for cash or cards, you simply open your phone, tap a few buttons, and voila! The bill is settled. No more awkward calculations, no more lost change. This is the power of VIPs. So, what exactly is VIPs? In essence, it's Norway's answer to mobile payments. It's a user-friendly app that lets you send and receive money instantly, pay for goods and services, and even split bills with friends. It's like having a virtual wallet in your pocket, but with superpowers. Now, you might be thinking, great, but I don't live in Norway. How does this affect me? Well, if you're a frequent traveler to Norway or have Norwegian connections, understanding VIPs is crucial. It's also a fascinating case study in digital payments that could inspire similar innovations in your own country. Getting VIPs is actually quite straightforward, but there are a few things you need to know. First off, you need a Norwegian phone number. This is because VIPs is linked to your mobile number for security purposes. So, if you're planning a trip to Norway, make sure to get a local SIM card. Once you have a Norwegian number, you can download the VIPs app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. The app is available in both Norwegian and English, so don't worry if you're not fluent in the local language. Setting up your VIPs account is relatively simple. You'll need to provide some personal information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. You'll also need to link your Norwegian bank account to the app. This is where things can get a bit tricky if you don't have a Norwegian bank account. You might be able to use a foreign bank account, but it's best to check with VIPs directly to confirm. Once your account is set up, you can start using VIPs immediately. You can add money to your VIPs wallet by transferring funds from your bank account, or you can link your debit or credit card. This gives you flexibility in how you manage your money. One of the coolest features of VIPs is the ability to pay for goods and services with just a scan of a QR code. Many stores and restaurants in Norway accept VIPs payments, making it incredibly convenient for everyday purchases. You can also use VIPs to pay for public transportation, online shopping, and even donations to charity. But VIPs isn't just about payments. It's also a social platform. You can use it to send money to friends and family, request money from others, and even split bills easily. It's like combining the convenience of mobile payments with the fun of social media. So, there you have it. Getting VIPs is a relatively straightforward process, but it does require a Norwegian phone number and bank account. While it might not be accessible to everyone, understanding how VIPs works can give you valuable insights into the future of digital payments. It's important to note that the digital payment landscape is constantly evolving. New technologies and services are emerging all the time. So, while VIPs is a great example of a successful mobile payment platform, it's essential to stay informed about the latest trends and innovations in this space. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.